This video is part 5 in the Will versus Be Going To Predictions and Decisions series. I'd like to say a big thank you to Test English for allowing me to use their material to make videos to put on YouTube. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to do exercise 2. Choose the most appropriate forms of will and be going to for the gaps below. Number 1, A says, I don't think, okay, this is going to be Will. I don't think he'll come tonight, but he says, there's a subtle difference there, but I think he says he is going to come. Number 2, I've bought this paint because. That has to be, I'm going to. And B says, I'm sure it'll look fantastic. Number 3, this has to be going to. What are you going to do after you graduate? Okay, and B has to reply, I'm going to travel around the world because this is a plan. Number 4, are you going to go for a walk later? No, I'm going to stay at home. Number 5, I need the camera because I'm going to take some pictures. I don't know how it works. So B says, don't worry, I'll show you. Next page. Number 6. A says, are you going to drive to work today? And B says, yes, but the traffic is awful, so I'm going to be late. Number 7. A says, hurry up, the bus is leaving. You... Okay, I see a very small difference there, but I'm going to say you are going to miss it. And B says, no, I'm going to take the train, it's faster. So it's definitely A because the second part is definitely not I will take. Number 8. According to the voting intention numbers, I am going to win the election because we have evidence that voting intention numbers are evidence. So it has to be B. And B says, what are you going to do when you are president? Number 9. They are winning 2-1 and there are only 2 minutes left. They are going to win this match. No, I think maybe Manchester United will score a goal in the last minute. Number 10. Don't make so much noise. Okay, for this one, for me, it could be either you'll wake Dad up or you are going to wake Dad up. And B, okay, I'll stop now. Okay, I find this one difficult to decide. As we said in the grammar explanation, there is sometimes little or no difference between using going to and will. So I'm going to go with C. Check answers. Okay, and I got 100%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it and if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.